Hi there, today I'm going to learn about how to embed a Google Sheet into our Squarespace website. So here I am in my Squarespace website, and then here is my Google Sheet. So for example, I have this data right here that I want to display in our Squarespace website. So what we'll do is we'll click on File in the Google Sheets, click on Share, and then click Publish to Web. So this pop-up will show up. So just click on Publish again. Click on OK, and then go to the Embed section, and then we'll copy all of this code to use for our Squarespace website. So let's go back to our Squarespace website, click on Edit, and then find the area where you want to add the Google Sheet. For example, I want to add it right here. Click on Add Block, click on Code, and then adjust this. And then let's edit the code and then paste our code for our Google Sheet. So when you paste the code, it will show up like this as like a small Google Sheet right here. So we will need to change something to make it bigger and make it look like our Google Sheet right here. So what we'll do is we will edit again, and then go to the very back of this code right here, and then just type in width, and then equal sign, put quotation marks 100%, and then immediately we will see that our Google Sheet has now changed its width to 100%. And then for height, you can put anything. So for example, I will just put height equals 400, and then automatically it will be reflected into our Squarespace website. And then that is it. That is how we put or embed a Google Sheet into our Squarespace website, and I hope you learned how to use it, and thank you for watching.